The term investment company is specifically defined in section 186 to be used for this particular section only. It states that an investment company is a company whose principal business is acquisition of shares, debentures, or any other security. But how to identify if a company has principal business or not? Practically, its memorandum in the object clause will mention it that the business of a company is investment, or the balance sheet will state that the business is investment. To bring more clarity in the concept of deemed investment company came into picture, in which it states that a company will be compulsorily considered as investment company if any of the two criteria is fulfilled. दोनों में से अगर कोई भी एक क्राइटेरिया कोई कंपनी पूरा कर देगी तो उसको कंपल्सरली डीम्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट कंपनी माना जाएगा, मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट कंपनी माना ही जाएगा. What are those two criterias? They are: if the assets in form of investment in securities is more than or equal to 50% of its total assets. मतलब अगर किसी कंपनी का इन्वेस्टमेंट शेयर्स में 50% या उससे ज़्यादा है उसके टोटल एसेट से, तो दैट कंपनी विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज इन्वेस्टमेंट कंपनी. सेकेंड कंडीशन, इफ इनकम डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम बिजनेस, इन्वेस्टमेंट बिजनेस, अगर कोई डिविडेंड, कोई इंटरेस्ट जो शेयर्स या सिक्योरिटीज में इन्वेस्ट करने से डिराइव हो रहा हो, इफ दैट इनकम इज 50% of its gross income or more than 50% of its gross income, then that company will compulsorily be also considered as investment company.